Assalamu alaikum. Hadda waxaan bilaabaynaa markii graduation certificate ardayda la siinayay. Each student of high school ku jira ama community college ama university, the Somali Student Association will be awarding them a certificate and a t-shirt. Can you hold this up? That we made for all the students, but now we're awarding only the high school, community college, and university students. And now for those, we'll read off their name as each student comes out.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So I'm going to start calling the high school students first, so if you could please come out. First we have Faiza Fuad Muhammad. Faiza, can you tell us what high school you graduated from and what are your future plans?
I graduated from Wasiara High School. I'm going to Bellevue College and I'm going to study pre-med, inshallah.
MashaAllah. Next we have Fatuma Ali. Would you please? Your high school and what are your future plans?
I currently graduated from Westside High School, and I will be attending Western Washington University, and then trying to major as fashion design and architecture. Thank you.
MashaAllah. So next we have her sister, Amina Ali. Amina, tell us what high school you graduated from and your future plans.
Well, I graduated from West Seattle High School, and my future plans are RN. I'll be studying RN.
All right, thank you so much. Next we have Sadiq Muhammad. Sadiq, tell us what high school you graduated from and your future plans.
I graduated from Richmond High School, and I'm planning on going to a four-year university down in Malaysia, Suran Nadine.
All right, mashallah. And next we have Liban Jama. Tell us about your high school and your future plans.
I graduated from Auburn Riverside, and I hopefully go to Green River and transfer into UW for a 4-year.
Thank you so much. So, and after that we have Sharmarke Ahmed. Your high school and your future plans, please.
I come from Arbor Riverside, and my future plans are UW.
Nice. Our last graduate is Farhan Abshir. Farhan, can you please tell us what high school you graduated from?
Ingham High School, and I'm going to UW.
All right, Ingram High School, and he's going to UW. Now we're going to start with our community college students and university. First, we have Hodan Hassan. Graduated from Bellevue College. Hodan, can you tell us your major, please?
Hello, everyone. I graduated from Bellevue College, who's a university now, by the way. I'm a political science major, and I started at UW this summer.
Nice. Next, we have Sauda Jibril. Graduated from the University of Washington. Sauda, can you please tell us what's your major?
My major was health information management. Health information management at the University of Washington.
Thank you. After that, we have Hannah Barkat from the University of Washington. Hannah, tell us what's your major.
I majored in communications and political science. Go to school.
Now we have Abuka Sultan, graduated from the University of Washington. Can you tell us your major, please?
Assalamu alaikum. I majored in international relations and poli-sci.
Thank you. Now we have Qisad Du'alib from the University of Washington. Can you tell us what's your major?
I majored in economics and political science.
Thank you. And finally, we have Abdi Hassan, graduated from the University of Arizona. Can you tell us your major?
Sure, it's international studies.
Thank you. And that is it for all of our graduates. Please give them a round of applause. All right, you want to take over?
sacab kaliya maaha in loo sii duceeyaa way fiicantay dugsi bay ka baxeen jaamacad bay ka baxeen ilaahow meel khayr qabta maray waa mid meesha ku jirta marka waan idiin soo ducaynaa insha allah future wanaagsan diintiina dadnimadiina iyo dalkiinaba kuwii anfacan ilaahay idinka dhigo waxaan jaanis u helnay fardoos iyo rooda oo iyagu qayb weyn ka qaatay qabanqaabadii waxa kale oo halkan nala joogto iyaduna ah qalin jabiskii shahaado weyn gacanta ku dhigtay hodan xasan marka hore waxaan jeclay inaan ku horeeyo dadkii soo diyaariyay bal siday suurtagal ku noqotay inaad maanta diyaarisaan ama isu keentaan different high school college iyo hub academy oo isaguna islamic school Somalia.
First of all, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Firdaus Muhammad, and I'm a sophomore at the University of Washington. So, first, I mean, SSA UW always hosts the Somali graduations, and this year we thought it would be a great idea if we collaborated with another academy. It happens to be Hope Academy. So, we decided to come together, celebrate all of our graduates, and kind of give back to the community and make sure that people see the great people and what they're doing for their future, and how that might impact the little kids that are also graduating.
I thought the event was wonderful. It was a great collaboration. We'll see if we want to do it again next year. Hope Academy is a Islamic school that's based out of West Seattle, and the other group was Somali Student Association from the University of Washington. And it was a great turnout. We're happy about how it turned out, mashallah. waxaan rabnaa dadka waalidka ah inay next year ay ardaydooda markay ka graduate garanayaan ay noo raadiyaan meelaha June every year. waxaan isku dayaynaa inaan Somali graduation aan samayno. hadday ardaydaadu high school community college ama university ay ka baxayaan waxaan rabnaa inaad aad isku daydin inaad soo heshid ama anaguna waxaan isku daynaa our best to publicize it to you so aad u ogaatiin eventka inaan samaynayno every year waan samaynaa Soomaalida ardaydiinana waxaan rabnaa inaan encourage students waxaan rabnaa inaan ardayda aan ku niraahno university taga. So high school iyo middle school iyo elementary school kids xagan maanta joogay waxaan rabnay inaan u sheegno hey you can see a university graduate or even a student who goes to a university laakiin master's koogii soo helay ama doctorate koogii soo helay. So waxaan rabnaa inay ardayda yaryar kor ay u arkaan dadka waaweyn university ka graduate oo isaa wadada ay raacaan. Now we thought the event was wonderful. Now we have Hodan Hassan, who is one of the graduates that walked today. Maybe she could tell you how she felt about the event.
I think it was very inspiring to see people, to have this little kids see us graduating from UW, from Bellevue College. It's like college is a reality. It's not a dream. It's not something that's far away. It's something we should be preparing for today, tomorrow, and every other day after that. I think it's really good to have a Somali graduation because we've kind of fallen out of the light. Everybody just assumes that Somali people are not doing anything influential. And like Qissa said today, it's our responsibility to get our country out of the funk that it's in today. And we're only going to do that with education from universities like UW and all the other ones. Thank you so much for having this.
I just wanted to say that this event went very good and it was well organized, mashallah. The two collaboration was very well. But I would encourage more families to come. Good job, and you guys did a great job and stuff like that. So we all need a support. So next time it would be so much better if you guys can inform your parents, more people to know. Students high school could have made a call, but then so any would be awesome. So next time, please bring your children and all support each other.